Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside the Mobile Legends lobby. Open the gear icon at the top right immediately. Once done, navigate to the settings panel and head to the sound or basic subsection where vibration controls live. You do this now because the game keeps vibration on by default. Disabling here is the primary required step. Make sure you're in the account's main lobby settings, not the shop or profile, so the toggle you change will affect gameplay vibration. Now turn the vibration toggle off inside the game settings. This is the direct control that stops battle and skill vibrations. You flip the switch, then watch the toggle state change to off so the game stops sending haptic commands. After switching, exit the menu and test by entering a practice or quick match. You should feel no vibration when skills trigger. If the game asks to save, confirm, usually changes apply instantly, so test to verify the setting took effect. If vibration persists after turning it off in-game, you must disable phone-level haptics. Go to Settings, right arrow Sound and Haptics or Language and Input and switch off haptic feedback and vibration for touch. Once done, restart Mobile Legends and retest. If problems continue, clear the app cache or reinstall the game. That resets corrupted settings. One key troubleshooting tip: verify accessibility or notification vibration settings on your device. These can override app toggles and cause unexpected vibration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.